Hi guys, do you need to know how I make my thumbnails? How I make those my catchy thumbnails? Come along with me. Let me show you the free and easy way to make your thumbnails. All you need to give is just a prompt and your thumbnail is ready. This is Eva Family. If you're seeing us for the first time, returning subscribers, thank you so much. Please like, share, and comment. So without wasting your time, let's go to the video. This video, guys, I'm going to teach you on how to make your thumbnail using Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai is the way to go for that catchy thumbnails, especially for those of you who have Faceless channel, YouTube animated channels. This is your to go. If you don't have an account, just go to your Google, go to your browser, type leonard.ai. Once it come out, you create an account, and once you create an account, it is free. So what you do is, after creating an account, you come here and you click on image creation. Image creation. And then for this image creation, you're going to give it a prompt. One good thing about this Leonard.ai is that it gives you 4 good thumbnails at the same time. So you are to choose the thumbnail you want. You can see the thumbnail I already created here. You can see them, ABC vehicle names. But for today, I'm going to carry along to show you how I made catchy thumbnails. You can make it, and it is free. So come along with me. Here, you need to be specific with your prompt. For example, let's say we create Tom and Jerry, the cartoon, Tom and Jerry video. We finish making the video and we're looking for a perfect thumbnail to give to it. You come to Leonard.ai, give it a specific prompt. Make your prompt so detailed so that it can give you exactly what you want. Let's say we write, create a puzzle animation of Tom create a puzzle animation of Tom, a blue cartoon cat, and Jerry, a brown cartoon mouse, performing magic as a clown. Write with bouncing letters. Write with bouncing letters, spelling out on the top Tom and Jerry. Okay, this is so detailed that when Leonard is creating Tom, is going to sorry, we omitted Tom. Is going to give us Tom as a blue cartoon cat and Jerry a brown cartoon mouse. So when you finish doing this, make sure it's on 16.9. That is for videos. But if you have shorts, you can use 2.3 for your shorts. But for now, we're using 16.9. It's going to generate 4 videos at the same time. And then you have 1, 2, 3. All these you cannot, you don't have access to them because you are on free version. If you subscribe, then you can have access to making the numbers of the images to be 1 or to be 2 or to be 3. So make sure you put your 19.9 and then it should be on medium. It's on fast. You don't have access to the quality or the ultra because they are for paid version. So we leave it here. Then here is auto, is dynamic, is medium. You can work on this. For example, you can go here and make it put on. If you click on, what it does is that the prompt you give it will come out in another version. Can it be better than what you put? You have to work on them to see the one that will give you exactly what you want. So let's do this, and then we'll change it to, we remove automatic and on, and put this on. When on, prompt will always be refined to improve the output. That is this. The prompt will be refined. It will not, but when you put automatic, when activated, short prompt will be expanded to include more details. So automatic, we're keeping it automatic. Then in dynamic, we have 3D, cinematic concept, creative, dynamic. So now we are on dynamic. If you want, you can leave it on dynamic. I usually leave it on dynamic, but you can also change it. You can change it to 3D, to creative. I'm going to carry you guys along. Let's see how all will come out. So remember, Leonard gives you 150 coins per day. Once you exhaust that 50 coins, you have to wait till the next day. And in any prompt you give it, it takes 30 coins. So now we have 150. You can see 150 here. The first prompt we create now, this will reduce to 120. So let's click on generate. It doesn't take time to generate as long as everything is good and your internet is not slow, it's fast enough. You're wondering why people's videos are having good thumbnails and why yours is not having good thumbnails. I think the what you use in generating your thumbnail might be the problem. So if we also try to, let me show you guys the thumbnails I've been able to generate with this Leonard, because I think when you show people what you've been able to do is better than showing them what have not been done. So we go to videos and we go to look at the thumbnails that we have with Tom and Jerry. Okay. You can see this video. This was generated with Leonard, and you can see it has 18K view. This was with Leonard, 18K view, and all these are Leonard. All this, even the Wiz on the Bus was done with Leonard. So you can see how nice and how beautiful these thumbnails are. So you can use Leonard to generate your thumbnails at any time, and it is free. Okay, the second prompt we gave is already out. Tom and Jerry. Then we asked it to write made for kids. You see, he has written made for kids, and it's looking so, so nice. Let's assume we want to change the background. We want to tell Leonard to give us a very good, another background. Let's say create a pizza animation of Tom and Jerry cartoon and Jerry a cartoon mouse performing magic as a clown in a beautiful and colorful playground. Okay. All right. We hit generate. This is going to give us another version of the thumbnail. This is really very, very good, and the picture quality is very nice. So you can also do this. Try this. It's really very nice to create your thumbnail. And if you have not seen how I made my thumbnail from Canva, you can also watch it out. I've already uploaded it. You can watch how to make your thumbnail on Canva. Thumbnails are very vital, very essential. You can see how he made this on Playground. We can also change this to automatic and ask it to, and then remove dynamic and give it to, let's say 3D and generate. You know, thumbnail is one of the vitals and one of the essential things you need to get right in your YouTube work or in your YouTube space to grow your channel very well. If you don't have a very good thumbnail, people might not likely click on your video. So getting thumbnail right is very essential. So you need a very good and poppy and attractive thumbnail to drag traffic, to make people click on your videos to watch. So this is the one we created with 3D. Can you see the one with 3D? It's also giving. It's also very nice. So these are what you can do using Leonardo AI, especially if you have Faceless YouTube channel. Yeah, that is it, guys. If you've not liked to this moment, what are you waiting for? If you've not subscribed, please try to subscribe. You have gained one or two things from my video. So what is making you not to subscribe? Please subscribe. You can notify me on the comment section. I will also subscribe to your channel so that we can grow together. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.